Hi guys, welcome to this video on another triangle congruence shortcut. This one is side angle side. Before we begin, just a friendly reminder, when we talk about included side and angle, we are talking about a side or angle located between two other consecutive angles or sides. So in the case of side angle side, the angle is sandwiched between the two sides, okay? So here I have side C, and here I have side B, and angle A is sandwiched between them, so it's its included angle. So you need those things when we are trying to prove two triangles congruent through side angle side. The side angle side congruence shortcut states that if two sides and the included angle in one triangle are congruent to the two sides and included angle in another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. So because I have AC congruent to XZ, and then I have BC congruent to YZ, and the angle between them, angle Z and angle C, are congruent, I can then state that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XYZ. So, let's take an example proof here, okay? Prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. So, I'm going to start all my proofs, as I always do, by writing my goal. You know, where am I going with my proof? So I'm going to say, okay, I am trying to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Okay, so let's put down any pieces of information that we have here. Okay, so for the first statements, I can say that AB and DE are congruent. So side AB is congruent to side DE. And that's a given. So the next thing I can say is I can now go after these two angles. I have side angle A is congruent to angle E. Angle B. So angle B is congruent to angle E. And you know what? That reason is also because it's given. It's still marked on the diagram. And then finally, I can also say side BC is congruent to side EF, and that again is still given information because it is marked on my diagram. So this is one of the lucky cases where the three pieces of information that I need are given to me. And again, that's another piece of given information. Slide this up really quick. And then I can say that the two triangles are congruent because I have a side, an angle, and a side. And the angle is sandwiched between the two of them. So I have SAS. And that's it. That's how side angle side works, guys. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.